Aloha, this is Stephanie with Turtle Flow Yoga, and today I'll be going over Ujjayi Breath, also known as Victorious Breath, which is very helpful for detoxification, cleansing, as well as soothing and calming your mind. So please keep watching. So Ujjayi Breath, also known as Victorious Breath, can be done, it's a breathwork practice, and it can be done as is, just as a breathwork, and make it into a meditation practice. And it's also a breathing technique that we apply during our yoga asana practice, especially in a vinyasa flow style, Ashtanga, or power yoga. And what it does is it helps to cultivate what's called a tapas, creating internal heat, and which is called agni. So it helps to create that internal heat to help you detoxify and let go of any toxins in your body, and it can be very cleansing. And it also makes you very warm, so if you ever get cold, it's a great breath work to do to create that heat to feel warmer, and it'll also help you sweat a lot. And it's also oftentimes referred to as that ocean-like sound because the practice cultivates that ocean-like sound. And some also refer to it as Darth Vader. Different teachers will use different terms just to help you identify the sound and associate the sound better with the modern times. And it can be also done as a breath work in a seated meditation. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do it. And the best way, if you're new to it, the best way is to just bring your hand in front of you like this, and then just make that sound as if you're fogging up a mirror, and it'll constrict the back of your throat. But once you get that sensation of how to constrict the back of your throat, then you would start to breathe in and out through your nose. So it sounds like this. So like I said, it kind of sounds like that ocean sound or Darth Vader, whichever you resonate with. And then you also want to do your best to even out your inhales and exhales as you do it. And if you're doing it in a seated meditation, definitely sit tall with your shoulders relaxed, and you can do a couple of deep breathing to get into your seat, and then apply the Ujjayi breath, and you can do it as much as you would like. Even during the practice, you can apply it as much as you can remember to do it. And then if it gets to be too much, or if you're cultivating too much heat, then you can always just go back to breathing in and out through your nose naturally or deeply during your practice. So oftentimes the teacher will instruct you to start to cultivate the Ujjayi breath in a class, but most of the times people won't know how to do it. So I just wanted to use this video to help you break it down. So please try it, let me know how it is, and thank you so much for being part of the Turtle Flow tribe and watching this video. Have a wonderful rest of your day or evening. Namaste.